Alright, I'm going to show you all my little vacuuming process here. Take your basket out. So my filter doesn't have a waste selection, so I'm just going to keep it on filter and then backwash and rinse afterwards. Now you want to get this hose completely submerged with water. There's no air in there whatsoever. You get that done, you're going to slide through your skimmer there, straight down in the suction hole. You can see I got a little bit of suction going. You just do your thing with it. And you backwash. Rinse it. Back in action.